You're doing everything wrong. Thought you knew everything about skincare? Well, this video is going to prove you wrong. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Matilda. Well, today's video is going to be a skincare video. So I'm guessing you're probably using some skincare products and they're not working out for you. You still have acne, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and other skincare issues. And you're wondering, why is this happening to me? This product is working for this person, but it's not working for me. Well, in this video, I'm going to be debunking all the skincare myths, and I'm going to be telling you guys 5 mistakes you're probably making that is making your skincare products not work for you. The product might be good, but it might be you. What about if you are the problem? What about if you're the problem, not the skincare product? So this video is going to be telling you guys do's and don'ts in skincare. So let's get right into this video. Some of these mistakes I'm going to be mentioning in this video, I have probably made them, so I am speaking from experience. I still make some of these mistakes, but I just thought to share it to you guys so you might know the root of your skincare problems. So the first mistake you're probably making is you are piling on too much moisturizer. I personally have made this mistake a lot of times. I used to think that packing on a lot of moisturizer is what is best for my skin, but I found out that putting too much moisturizer is not actually good for your skin. Too much moisture is like a playground for bacteria to grow, and that could cause acne or rashes. That happened to me a lot when I'll pile on a lot of moisturizer than I should normally put. Like, I'm telling you guys, I would put a lot of moisturizer on my face, and I'm wondering, like, why is this product making me have rashes? Why am I having acne? Why am I having pimples? Until I found out that you don't need to put too much moisturizer. You should just use the moisturizer that will cover your whole face and neck. You don't need to put more than necessary, because it's going to be a breeding ground for bacteria, and you do not want that. The second skincare mistake you are probably making is you are not using sunscreen. I preach about sunscreen a lot on this channel. I personally, I don't always use sunscreen every single day, but it's actually proper. The proper thing you're supposed to do is apply sunscreen every day. But we are all humans, we can't be perfect. So I'm not gonna say I apply sunscreen every day. I don't, but you should. If you guys are suffering from dark spots, hyperpigmentation, there is no way your skincare product is going to treat those things if you're not using sunscreen, because you apply all these products and you still go out on the sun is going to burn your skin, and it's just going to be a cycle, and your hyperpigmentation, your dark spots is just not going to go anywhere. So if you guys are suffering from dark spots, you're trying to lighten up maybe your hyperpigmentation or stuff like that, please apply sunscreen, because any other product you apply, even though the product works effectively, sunscreen is just going to seal it in and protect your skin. But when you don't apply sunscreen, you are on your own. See who's talking. Now you're probably wondering, how much sunscreen should I apply? I'm going to put a picture here which I saw on Twitter on the amount of sunscreen you should apply on your face and neck. It is basically two lines of your fingers. The sunscreen should occupy 2 lines of your finger. I'm just going to put a picture here. So that is the average amount you should apply on your face. You might be probably asking, like, I use sunscreen, but I'm still suffering from some skincare products. That means I'm just going to ditch sunscreen. First of all, the sunscreen you're using might not be good for you, or you're not applying the right amount. You're applying maybe too small of sunscreen. When it comes to sunscreen, lather it on and apply enough to cover your whole face to protect you from this sun. This sun, guys, it's good for lighting, but for your skin. The third skincare mistake you're probably making is you are not properly taking off your makeup. That is something that I don't even play with. No matter what, I always take off my makeup, because if you sleep with your makeup on, guys, the acne the pimples that will come to you the next morning or the next 2 mornings, guys, you don't want it. So you're probably thinking, but I take off my makeup, why am I still having acne? Are you taking the makeup off properly? And I don't think so. If you're using just wipes to take off your makeup, I'm sorry, but you're not taking off your makeup. You are not. Wipes are not going to completely take off your makeup. I don't even use wipe because I feel like maybe if I'm so tired, that is when I'm going to use wipes, and I'm still going to wash my face afterwards. But if you're just saying, oh, use wipe, oh, I'm done going to bed, sorry, but you're not taking off your makeup. Wipes are not going to completely take off your makeup. So what should you do? You should double cleanse. Firstly, you can use a cleansing balm to take off your makeup. You clean that off, then you use your cleanser, your soap, or anything to wash off your face. You can even triple cleanse. Like, first of all, you use your makeup wipe to clean your face, then you can use your cleanser to wash that off first, then you can finally re-cleanse again. You're probably thinking, wow, that's a lot of cleanser. Cleanse once, twice, thrice, what the hell? But if you're using the right cleanser, your skin is not supposed to feel dry. If after you finish using your cleanser to cleanse your skin, to wash your skin, and your skin feels tight, it feels dry, that is not the right cleanser for you. I'm sorry, but you need to change your cleanser, because your cleanser is not supposed to make your skin feel tight and dry. So you can cleanse twice, your skin is not going to be harmed, but it's only going to be harmed when you use a bad cleanser. So make sure your cleanser does not make you feel dry and tight after using it. I know you might want that squeaky clean feeling. Okay, it's good to feel that squeaky clean feeling, but you don't want your skin to feel tight, like you can't even move it, or too dry. That is not the right cleanser for you. Another bonus tip I'm going to give you for this third skincare mistake is you're not washing your neck. You're not applying your products on your neck. Don't forget your neck, guys. Sometimes when I'm applying my product, I forget my neck. I am human, like I said. I make some of all these mistakes. So if you are having a darker neck than your face and your body, it's probably because you're not applying your skincare products on your neck. It might still be something else, but that can contribute. So when you're applying your skincare product, don't forget your neck. When you're washing your face, don't forget your neck. I would even prefer if you just bathe in the shower instead of the sink. So before we go on to the next skincare mistake, if you're still here, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. The fourth skincare mistakes you're probably making is exfoliating. No. Exfoliating is not bad. Don't think I'm trying to say exfoliating is bad. Exfoliating is good, but don't over exfoliate. When it comes to exfoliating, 3 times a week at most. Do not exceed that 3 times a week, because you're going to irritate your skin, and irritation causes acne and even more skin problems. So do not over exfoliate, because you're probably harming your skin, doing more harm than good. So I'm going to give you a bonus tip when it comes to exfoliating, and that bonus tip is you're not exfoliating your face. So you're using all these products, you're using all these serums, all these toners, all these cleansers, and you're not exfoliating, and you're wondering, why is my skin still bad? What am I doing wrong? I'm buying all these expensive products. Well, could it be that you're not exfoliating your skin? Maybe that is why your skincare products are not working. You need to exfoliate your skin at least once a week, so that the products you're using would actually penetrate into your skin. So when you exfoliate, which means either physical exfoliation with scrubs or chemical exfoliation with AHAs and BHAs, when you're exfoliating, you are removing the dead skin cells from your face. So when you finish exfoliating, your face will feel smoother, and any products you use afterwards, it's just going to penetrate into your skin and work very well. So one reason why your skin is still bad is because you are over exfoliating or not exfoliating at all. So in this life, guys, do not overdo. No, they do pass yourself. You understand? Don't go overboard. Too much of everything is not good in this life. Too much of everything is not good. So don't over exfoliate. Don't over moisturize. The fifth skincare mistake you are probably making, which is making none of your skincare products work. This is probably the most important reason why your skincare products are not working. This skincare mistake is you are not doing your skincare routine at night. So if there is any time you should apply your skincare products, it should be at night. It's good to apply in the morning, yeah, but you want it to work, you should be applying it at night. Why? Because when you're sleeping is when your skin works. It's when your skin starts rejuvenating and renewing and whatever. Like when you're sleeping is when your skin does its work to make it look good. So when you apply the products at night, you go to bed, your skin works with those products, wake up flawless. When you use your skincare product in the morning, it's good for your skin, makes your skin look good, but it's not necessarily doing much to treat your skin. It makes your skin look good. Yes, it's actually good to apply your skincare products in the morning, but if you are looking for treatment, that's going to happen at night. Always do your skincare routine in the morning and night. The night is very, very important if you want results. If you want results, you are suffering from a lot of skincare problems and you want results. Doing it only in the morning is not going to give you results, guys. You need to do it at night and actually sleep, because if you're awake, have you noticed that when you are, I don't know, for me basically, if I don't get enough sleep, it actually affects my skin and you see a bump, as you can see here. This is because I've been sleeping really late, so my skin is not even doing its work. So you see this bump here. It's because I've not been sleeping. Why? Because it's quarantine and there's no... Okay, so guys, those are 5 skincare mistakes you are probably making, which is making your skincare routine not work for you. I make some of these mistakes. I am not a perfectionist. I'm not a skincare guru. I'm not a skincare therapist. I just have a love for skincare. I guess you can see I'm a skincare enthusiast. You all seem to like my skincare videos, so I decided to do one so you guys can know more about skincare. If you guys want to see more skincare videos from me, leave it in the comments section below. I'm gonna deliver it for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'm gonna leave my skincare routine here so you can watch and other videos from me. And don't forget to follow me on my social media: Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, all Mathildaduku. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.